Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by proofing 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast in 1 cup warm milk heated to 100-110 degrees F with 2 tablespoons sugar until foamy, about 5-10 minutes. In a bowl, whisk 3 cups all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoons salt, then mix in the yeast, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter until a soft, slightly sticky dough forms. Knead by hand or mixer for 6-8 minutes until smooth. Then cover and let rise until doubled, about 45-60 minutes at room temperature. After the first rise, punch down dough, then roll it on a lightly floured surface to 1/4 inch thickness. Use a cutter to make roughly 2 5-inch squares, spacing them to avoid sticking. Alternatively, cut rectangles and separate. Set the pieces on a tray and proof for a second time until puffy, about 30-40 minutes, or until noticeably risen. Preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees F, and lightly oil the basket with a high smoke point oil or non-stick spray to prevent sticking and encourage even browning. Arrange beignets in a single layer in the preheated air fryer without overcrowding. Cook at 350 degrees F for 5-6 minutes total, flipping once at about 3 minutes for even color. They should puff and turn golden. Internal texture will be soft and slightly chewy. Remove with tongs, immediately dust heavily with powdered sugar, and serve warm. For storage, keep in an airtight container for up to 2 days and reheat for about 3 minutes at 350 degrees F to refresh. Adjust time if your model runs hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.